So 2025 is here, and starting a YouTube channel is probably one of your 2025 goals, which is probably the reason why you clicked on this video. No worries, you made the right decision at the right time and definitely the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to start your YouTube channel in 2025. All right, stay with me in this video and let's get into it, okay? Welcome back, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all of my subscribers. And if you're just joining this channel for the first time or seeing my face for the first time, please do well to join this community, okay? Watch this video to the end and give this video a thumbs up, okay? All right, let's get straight into it. Starting your YouTube channel in 2025. First of all, I would like to educate you on what YouTube is about, especially if this is a decision you're trying to make. You need to understand what YouTube is in the first place. What is YouTube? YouTube is a global social media platform. It is one that I like to say that stands out of every other social media platform. So YouTube is a platform where you can actually upload videos, share videos, watch videos, connect with people, learn new stuff, learn new things, and basically just get entertained. I like to see YouTube as a very special social media platform. It's very different from every other social media platform. In YouTube, you can actually do everything. I know people who specifically said or has decided that they would never be on any other social media platform, but YouTube, you'll find them there. So if the world's population is about 8 billion or over 8 billion people, trust me, over 90% of that statistics is on YouTube, even when they are not in other platforms. This is why you need to get on YouTube. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about is why YouTube. Why do anyone want to get on YouTube? Why is it even a thing to be on YouTube? Why should you get on YouTube? So I'm going to just give you 4 reasons why you should be on the YouTube platform. Number 1 is what I have already just explained. It is the most commonly used app amongst all social media platforms, amongst all social media apps. Okay, so that's why one of the reasons you need to be on this platform. Second reason is that YouTube pays. With YouTube, you are guaranteed of a stable income, a lifetime income, a secured future, and then you are even assured of freedom of creativity, making money through your creativity. Okay, so YouTube pays. That's the second reason. Now, the third reason I'm going to share is that you build a better and a safer community on YouTube, unlike other social media platforms where it's like a war zone in the comment section. Okay, in YouTube, there are policies that are, that there are policies, there are guidelines that actually guide the community section such that you don't have hate comments on your videos. YouTube would do its job, trust me. So YouTube is a sanitized platform where you can actually build reasonable communities. Apart from that, you can also network and even expand your business, because you can get business deals. You can become a brand ambassador on YouTube. So YouTube is a platform where you can literally just create a brand for yourself, by yourself, make your image, make your personality a brand. Not for jokes, like a business brand actually. Okay, so now the last reason why you need to be on YouTube is that, unlike other platforms where trends come and they go, there is changes in trends, changes in content creation. That doesn't happen on YouTube. Okay, so content creation is evergreen on YouTube, especially when you have niches. All the niches on YouTube are just there. If for instance you have a niche, a cooking niche, your content will be there forever. Like, people will always come. It remains evergreen. YouTube is a search engine, right? So people will always come to search for videos to watch, unlike other platforms like and Instagram, where there's a trend in a certain type of content creation and after a while it just goes off. No, YouTube is evergreen content creation platform. Okay, so get on it, guys. If you're still thinking about it, I hope this is enough reasons for you to choose YouTube as a content creation platform. Now I'm going to go straight into how you can start your content creation journey on YouTube. The easy steps, very easy, very simple. Okay, so the first step is for you to actually create a YouTube channel. And for you to do that, the first thing you need to do is to create a Gmail account. So I'm not going to go into details in this particular process, because I have already made about 2 videos concerning this, and I'm dropping the link in the description box. Just go and watch that video. It is detailed. I have detailed explanation of how you can set up your YouTube channel, starting from you having a Google account to creating your YouTube channel to uploading your videos. Okay. All right. So that's the first stage, to create a Google account and create your YouTube channel. Now, the next thing you need to do is to start putting your tools together. Now, like I have said in so many other of my videos, you don't need to, it's not rocket science, and you don't need to break a bank when you get to this point. What does it take for you to gather your tools? If you have your phone, you don't need to have a professional camera. Okay. Right now, I've been seeing on YouTube, there's this camera that's trending now. I'm going to put the picture on the screen. Okay. That is used for vlogging. Okay. So I'm saying this in case maybe your own idea is to start vlogging. You don't need to have a camera that is that expensive. You can actually start using your phone. Please don't be like people like me. I actually waited. I was waiting to have a very good camera, good lighting, and all of that. And I still regret it even up till now. If you're not there, you may not be able to relate. But people who did made the same mistake can actually relate. If you don't want to be like me and start regretting for so many months into years, start your YouTube as soon as possible. And when is as soon as possible? As soon as possible is the time that the idea comes into your head that, oh, I think I need to start a YouTube. You need to kick off immediately. Start with whatever you have. Now I'm going to just tell you the simple things, tools that you can, ways, DIY tools. Let me just put it that way, that you can use to start up your YouTube channel. First of all, when it comes to light, you don't need to have the professional light setting, you can use your daylight. So what that means is that if, for instance, you're creating sit down videos like me, you have to film your videos at daytime. Okay. So to film using daylight, all you need to do is to go to the window section in your house. Okay. So if you have a blind, lift up your blind, or if it's a curtain, then spread them apart and allow room for the daylight to come in. Okay, so that's one about light. Now, if you do not have a stand, a phone stand, or a tripod stand, you can use platforms or just set your phone across the window, okay, on top of the window platform. Or you can just put platforms together like books, cartons, like you can see in this B-roll video. Okay, so just put up items together to form a platform where you can actually place your phone. And then after you've done that, you have your table and your chair. If you're doing sit down video, of course, you have maybe your dining area or something, or a chair. Just put it around very close and make sure that you are against the window, okay, so that the daylight is just on your face. And then you place your phone in front of you and you start filming. It's as simple as that. That takes me to the next point, which is your camera. Okay, as you can see in that video, I actually did that using an Android phone. So you don't have to you have a professional camera. You don't even have, there are some people who wait until they get an iPhone. Take this as your cue to start with whichever Android phone that you have. Okay, I'm going to show you what the output of this video looks like. Okay. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, my name is Gochi and this is the Small Channel Zone. If you just joined my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and I promise you're gonna have a swell time watching my videos. So you can see that it's actually good. It's good enough to start your YouTube channel. I know a lot of YouTubers who started their YouTube channel using even like the worst phone you can think of, the worst lighting you can think of, and they still went viral and started to make money on YouTube before they were able to like get better phones or better camera. So starts with whatever it is that you have. Okay, so and then when it comes to tools, getting your tools together, like I always say, the only important thing that you need to get is a microphone, and that is only necessary if you have a poor audio in your phone. If you know you don't have a good audio, then it's necessary for you to get a, okay, because people can afford to watch your videos even if the quality is not good enough, but if they can't hear what you're saying, then they lose interest. Okay, so I would recommend that you get this. I'm showing on the screen right now. I got it, as at the time I bought it for around 7,000 naira plus thereabouts on Jumia. Okay, so but I don't know the current price right now, but you can actually just search for it, or you can get even a mic that is cheaper than that. All we want to hear is your voice when you're speaking. Okay, so that's the only important tool amongst every other tool. If you must get is a microphone, a lapel mic. All right. Okay. So that's that about tools. Now, the next stage in starting your YouTube channel is bringing all of those ideas into visual representation. What do I mean by that? Record. Press the record button on your camera, on your phone, and start recording. So, whatever it is, you can explore actually. When it comes to this aspect, you can explore. You can start with tutorial videos or vlog. You can make cooking videos. Just play around all types of, you know, contents that come to all type of ideas that come into your head, bring them together into a visual representation, like make a video out of it, and then test your audience. Okay, this is the part where we call audience testing. Put out every type of video that comes into your head and see how much views you get on each and every one of those videos, and this will help you define your niche. Okay, so the video that gets the highest views automatically becomes your niche. Make more of that video and see how it performs. Okay, so after you've brought your ideas to visual representation, there are other two things I would like you to focus on. One is quality. Focus on quality over quantity. Okay, make sure that you are giving us quality, you are giving us value, whatever type of video ideas you're bringing out there. Make sure that it has quality, because without quality, all your efforts will be pushed down the drain. Okay, so make sure you focus on quality over quantity. What do I mean by that? Don't start desiring to get all of the thousands of views immediately or thousands of subscribers immediately. First of all, start with quality, because it's the quality that's going to bring you the numbers that you are looking for. Okay. Now, the second thing I want you to really focus on is optimization. Make sure that you try to optimize your videos from the thumbnails, design catchy thumbnails, go to Canva and design catchy thumbnails. Okay, make sure that your titles are catchy and, you know, interesting enough, okay, and attractive enough. Okay, then make sure to optimize in your description box. Use tags and keywords. Speaking of which, I'm making a video on SEO. I'm going to put it on the end screen, and make sure that you try to watch that video and learn how to use SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. It's going to teach you how to optimize your videos, optimize your content to help you push your videos, to help the YouTube algorithm push your videos out to your target audience. So now this is basically all you need. The next thing to do is to edit and upload. All right. So I have a video. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, where I talked about how to edit your videos. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video if you can. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please check out any of the video on this screen right now and see if you might find something that can help grow your channel. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.